Hey, what's up, you guys? Just wanted to hit you with a little quick short unboxing. I ordered 2 of these CallSun solar panels. I got 2 of them in a pair here. They are 100 watt each, so that means I got 200 watts of power on these solar panels. Because you know I'm on my little energy save kick. So I'm gonna unbox this thing. These panels are 31 by 22 by 1. Each one only weighs about 11 pounds. So let's get these unboxed. Got a nice deal on them. I'm gonna have a link in the description for them right here. Look at this. Look at that panel right there. It's real nice. You got all the divides right there. Like I said, it's about 11 pounds. And on the back, you'll see a plug and play solar connector. It's got mounting holes in it too. I did buy a bracket. That should be coming pretty soon. But it fits right on the Z bracket. Let's get all these things off here. They package it real good. It's 2 in a box. CallSun 100 watt power. Nice lights. They major carrier. They got a tonally layer on the front and a minority carrier restraint. So it's 25% high efficiency on there. And look, the specs on this, because I know you want to know, is what is it? Is the open circuit voltage is 26. Right there, 26. Minimum power voltage is 2200 watts. So it's 26. So if you got one of those generators like I did the EcoFlow, so make sure y'all check out the EcoFlow video I did. So if you want to add up the percentages, this thing made of anodized aluminum alloy. So it's very durable. Made weather resistant. You can get rain on it. It runs right off. Just wipe it right down. Just the typical solar panel. Big boy style, 11 pounds each. These babies are heavy too. You can wash them, power wash. So make sure you definitely click the link in the description, get yourself the solar panels, and I will see you on the next video.